Terima kasih sudah klik video ini. Tapi jangan lupa guys, klik tombol subscribe karena subscribe itu gratis. Dengan subscribe kamu support channel ini terus untuk upload hampir setiap hari. Ingat, subscribe itu gratis, gak ada ruginya kamu klik tombol subscribe guys. Siap! Oh yeah!
Yes. And the fact that you guys spend your time watching me, mwah, that is a kiss to the low gang. We are and have been confirmed to be the fastest. What are you doing?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Diamond Play Button perempuan pertama di Asia Tenggara. Wow. Dan saatnya kita lihat Diamond Play Button. Wow. Bagus banget teman-teman, dan ini berat banget. Selamat tinggal Diamond Play Button. Di hilang beneran dia. Kalian.
Oh, the diamond play button. All right. It's heavy and it's like solid something, so careful with it. And that's what we're gonna use to cut. Dude, careful. What do you do? Just kidding, we made a fake one so we could do that stunt. Where's the real one? Where'd I put it? I don't even think this would shatter. Look, this is actually mine.
Ini dia. Wow. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tuhan, ya Allah. My God, keren banget ya Allah diamondnya.
Salah. Yang ini bang.
Ini bang.
Oh yang bawah. Keren banget diamondnya ya Allah. Oh, naik lagi ya. Oh, lawakan mama lu udah gak nyaman. Ini dia Diamond Play Button pertama di Asia Tenggara. Pokoknya yang penting Asia. Atta Halilintar, congratulations on passing 10 million subscriber. Salah, gua gak sejorok itu.
Here we go. Fuck's sake.
Hello? Who is it?
Oh, pull your diamond play button.
Finally. It's about damn time. The legends were true. It exists. Oh my. So heavy. Yes! Finally!
Here we go. Fuck's sake.
Hello? Who is it?
Oh, pull your diamond play button.
Finally. It's about damn time. The legends were true. It exists. Oh my. So heavy. Yes! Finally!